Mr. Investor, welcome back to the channel, baby. With the big boom in AI, Palantir is really getting recognized. I had 1,000 shares of Palantir. I've sold off around about 800 at different points of time. Ideally, should have held on. I've still got 200 left. Since the 31st of January, it's gone up 62% alone, and in the past 6 months, it's gone up 71%. Palantir has been getting back-to-back contracts, including a contract with Ukraine to get rid of underfused mines, utilizing artificial intelligence to help clear these mines, and this contract is to clear the mines and help the country over the next decade. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen what's been going on with OpenAI. I know they're being sued by Elon Musk, and then the receipts have been shown as well of Elon Musk telling them to raise money. But OpenAI has been bringing out some great products recently, and they've been making money and saving money for their clients. There are going to be over 60 customers at the Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, which is an upcoming live streamed event, which is going to be live streamed today, Thursday, 7th of March, on Palantir's YouTube channel. Now, during this AIPCon, they're going to unveil 20 new customers and partners. Some of the customers, so there's 850 AIP boot camps completed in the United States and around the world, but some of these new customers includes OpenAI. So OpenAI managed to save money. Swedish buy now, pay later company called Klarna. Now, here in the UK, we use Klarna quite a lot. I've never used it, but lots of my friends and family do. And what they done was actually help develop Klarna an AI bot which cuts repeat queries. So what they did was, this AI robot is doing the equivalent work of 700 full-time agents. It's held over 2.3 million conversations, accounting for 2/3 of the company's customer service chats in its first month. It's had a 25% reduction in repeat queries. It has contributed $40 million profit improvement, and it's available 24/7, 23 markets in 35 different languages. It's also able to resolve customers' queries in under 2 minutes. So this was developed by OpenAI. They're going to be showcasing the impact of the Palantir product AIP on their business and customers at this AIP Con. There's also going to be Lennar, General Mills, Lowe's, Cone Health, CSX, and CAZ Investments, and quite a few others. So this is an event not to miss, and it's actually today on the Palantir YouTube channel. Palantir has also been climbing in stock price due to some of the contracts it's been securing. So it secured this Titan contract, so next generation deep sensing capability in prototype manufacturing phase. Titan contract is worth hundreds of millions. I think it's 178 million. Yep, 178.4 million. Palantir has been going from strength to strength because not only are they winning these new contracts, they've actually had profitable business now, a profitable quarter for the 5th quarter in a row, I think. And I think Alex Karp said that he was looking around for customers and clients for anybody with $1 million, and basically saying, and take a look at your data, put all your best analysts on it, whatever, we will beat them within a certain time frame. Time and time again, it proves that the products that they have and the way that they utilize data is super valuable for customers, because the armies, as you can see here, US Army Vantage program, they extend their contracts every time. So whenever Palantir manages to get in, like even to the NHS when they gave the £1 contract, they managed to secure some of that contract. Here you can see in December 2023, they got the US Vantage program contract and extended it. Even in 2022, they got a £75 million deal with the British military. And in 2019, the US Army, you can see an $800 million contract. They are constantly winning contracts. And because we're in this phase where, you know, there's so much conflict around the world at this moment of time, whoever's utilizing the programs and the artificial intelligence of Palantir believe that they can get an upper hand. But not only that, because of this transition towards AI and, you know, cost savings, because of the economic climate around the world, companies are looking to save money and try to make more money and reduce workforce, especially with things that they can automate. So with Palantir's data, they're also doing this for clients. And it would be really interesting to see if OpenAI talks about Palantir helping them with Klarna, with this 40 million profit boost for Klarna, just by creating an effective and swift AI assistant to help with customer queries. So is Palantir going to be a beast in the future? Can it be $1 trillion company one day? Maybe. I think I sold my shares too early. I was waiting for a bounce back to a $16 range. So I sold at $19, $20, $21, and I think $24. I have 200 shares left. And I may take a little bit more profit still and wait to see if we can find a place like within the $16, $17 range. But I think if they continue to bring out all the good news, the press releases, and the way that the market is feeling bullish about AI, it could come down into the lower 20s range, and that may be the new support. I'm not a professional, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional with technicals, so please let me know what you think the support is and if Palantir is going to have a pullback or if it's headed for the 30s. Please remember, none of this is financial advice for entertainment only, and if you enjoy this kind of summary video, please put a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mr. Investor Lot, over and out, baby.